Ahoy! Welcome back to Adventure Sena. This is the first episode of a new adventure series in the Four Corners area of New Mexico and Colorado. Today's episode covers Farmington, New Mexico and Chaco Canyon. Getting a practice putt. Alright, so out here at the Lions Wilderness Disc Golf Course. It's beautiful, very windy, I know. You really don't want to go down there. Absolutely stunning here. Beautiful place. So, Ryan has whooped me on the last hole. I did really poorly. So he's going to take on the lead for this one by 1 point. Behold the creature, rummaging through the woods like a dirty animal. This is your third?
Yep.
Jose. The wind is really gnarly. This is a good workout, man. Warm up for tomorrow. Right this way, fucko. No. Ryan Lyon was shot and killed on the cliffside. Oh. No hands, Mom. Why is this rock tied down? Don't touch the cursed rock. Next to it, damn, that's juicy. I have to shoot from this fucking crevice down below the cliff.
Here's Tim's hope from down below.
Man, the sun's setting over a beautiful town I've never been to. This is adventure. Trippy, huh? Warpy. Unfortunately, we tied the last hole. I was +2, so Ryan has taken the game. Congratulations, a true champ dog over here.
Thanks, bro.
Downtown Farmington. Late at night, we got a slight buzz going, and every restaurant closes at 9. Oh, there's lowriders. Very gangster, very G'd up. Very gangster, frankly. Yo.
Did you know that bison can be gay?
The sky looks extra good, doesn't it? Like better than the real life almost.
Oh, yeah, it's juicy.
So Ryan and I are just walking down the downtown strip in Farmington. It's a beautiful little area. It's honestly a much nicer downtown than most places in Washington. And I love Washington downtowns. They're usually beautiful little places. This has that same vibe. It's really cool. As Anthony Bourdain always said, there's no better way to find a place to eat than to just walk around a town while you're drinking. And we have gotten lucky, it looks like. Stumbled upon a food cart pod, which I didn't even know existed, so let's check it out. Few things are more satisfying than a bowl of sloppy mac and cheese while you're drunk. I had gotten the blue cheese buffalo chicken, and Ryan got the New Mexico green chili fried onion mac. Both of these were not just good, but remarkably good. I would highly recommend you check out Mac Wagon and all the other food carts here at Locke Street Eats. This is officially a bench review featuring Ryan Dog.
Look at this beautiful design.
Honestly, we need to take a second before we even sit on this thing.
You can tell it's been skated on.
It's been lovingly designed. As Ryan points out, clearly it's been grinded on. Also, it's made of metal, point off for materials. It will get very hot.
It's too hot.
As Ryan mentioned, look at that, the Too Hot Theater. Beautiful downtown strip, people cruising by. I gotta say, yeah, nice bench, beautiful artistic design. I'm gonna give it more generous of a score than I think is usual, and that's because it's a nice bench and it's a charming area. Normally, I think because it's metal, I would have given it like a 2.5, but I'm gonna bump it up to a solid 3. So just past like a 50%, it's better than that.
2.5?
I'm gonna give it a 3. 3 out of 5.
I'll leave it at 2.5.
Right in the middle, yeah. That's fair. I think that's what I would give it normally, but I'm just charmed by the design. After a night out in Farmington, we got some rest and got ready for an early start the next day, where we would explore Chaco Canyon and the Ancestral Pueblo villages.
Like, where are we supposed to poop?
Been holding it a while. When you first arrive at Chaco Canyon, you need to stop at the visitor center. You can take in a map of the area, buy your tickets. You can also check out the museum at the visitor center for some detailed background of the area that we're about to explore. A detailed, massive diorama shows the evolution of Pueblo Bonito over time. Walking into Pueblo Bonito, the great ruins of an ancient Indian fortified town. Ancient Puebloans used metal ladders like this to build their structures. Hey, cool, I can get in there. Look around a bit. Pretty neat. Big bricks.
Big ones like other places.
Yeah, very small slates are used. Wow, you can see how short they are. Wow, so cool they leave the ruins open for you. Like the T-shaped archways. Specific to the Ancestral Pueblo, no one else did that kind of unique vibe on doorways. Wow, dude, these are tall. 2 stories, huh? So, to navigate through the Pueblo Bonito, you will be going through some low passageways. There are some mild restoration efforts underway, so avoid the construction equipment. Pueblo Bonito is gorgeous. Even with the damage of time, this place is impressive. So here we have a gorgeous kiva, one of the ceremonial places. Could fit up several hundred people. They'd be gathering here for prayer, for ritual, and for just community. And that brings us to the first bench review of this location. This is a uniquely placed bench. There's no denying it. Look around you. The vibes are top-notch, scenery top-notch. Now, it's made of wood, love it. Great for this sort of really great thermal protection.
My buns are itching to get into this.
We're gonna dive right into it. Let's just get into it.
Not bad.
Ryan's quite tall. I'll say comfortable for a 6-foot person.
I guess if I put my feet out, it's not so bad.
It's okay, I think, height-wise. I prefer a bench with a backrest, so half point at least off. Quite open and exposed would be nice for sunshade, but I feel like it's a special bench. It deserves higher than the others we've done. I'm gonna put that at a 3.5 out of 5 bench.
I'm sticking with my guns since the last one. It's a 3 also.
What, dude? Ryan just feels medium about every bench.
No, 2.5 is medium.
Oh shit, okay, fair enough. Better than medium. You got it here, folks. Try this bench out. Wow. Another gorgeous kiva. Stunningly well preserved. You can see the village around us. This would have been a bustling center of trade and celebration, community. We're now gonna go check out the next Pueblo, just nearby, a little under half a mile. See how small we are compared to these huge slabs. Got some very strange formations here.
Very cool erosion.
I've just spotted the first petroglyphs here, a couple spirals on the wall. Supposedly it tells a story of a great migration. Many spirals actually. Alright, Chetro Ketl here, and not Keenan and Kel. Sorry, I'm hot as hell and delusional. So we're entering Chetro Ketl, neighboring village to Pueblo Bonito. So here is a large wall. Facade to a massive building once upon a time. Chetro Ketl has this massive wall here you can see behind me. And not really much in the way of rooms for most of the stretch, but at the far end of the wall there is some rooms that you can kind of get around and look into. Okay, it looks like I was mistaken. There is a small section of Chetro Ketl they let you walk into. Parts of it are blocked off. Wow, yeah, no, quite a bit you can still explore here, so definitely worth the offshoot to Chetro Ketl. Chetro Ketl. They didn't have iron. Yeah, they needed the iron for their foundations there.
I'm pretty sure that was the Smithsonian story.
Absolutely stunning here. Kivas all around us. More structures. Here's a beautiful grand kiva here. Still mostly intact. Wow. Really cool. Most of their interior structures are still put together here. Chetro Ketl, worth the visit, absolutely. Stones that have sat here for 1,000 years. Incredible.
You know, now their blood is flowing through people's veins like us, and we're able to learn traditions from different cultures and keep the Pueblo people alive in some way.
Yep, they go on as long as their ancestors or descendants, and as long as people come and remember them. Now this is a World Heritage Site, so the world knows about them. Approaching Pueblo Arroyo. Alright, Pueblo del Arroyo, last Pueblo I'm going to check out today, just down the road from Pueblo Bonito. There's a sign pointing the way to go. Looking out over the Pueblo, beautiful cliffs and surroundings. Open sky that way, edge of the world. Pueblo Arroyo still has most of its walls standing. Really cool. I am sweating, but it's so beautiful to be here. Central Kiva here. Would have been a very important place. Here's the other side of Pueblo Arroyo, opposite of the parking lot. You can see the multi-tiered rooms, a little locked entranceway. Rugged, rough landscape. Amazing to think about these people making a living here, surviving out here. Not only surviving, but apparently thriving. To to have a culture this advanced, to build such huge structures and be able to settle in this place took a lot of knowledge. They had to develop the agriculture and master and refine that. And that gave them the abundance they needed to have builders learn over generations. Chaco Canyon is an absolutely magnificent place. It's no wonder it's a World Heritage Site. Everyone in the world should come and check this out. Absolutely beautiful. Come and see what the ancient Native Americans are capable of. Thank you for watching this episode of Adventure Sena. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notify bell. It really helps out.